Hello guys, I hope everyone is fine. In today's video, I will be discussing about two of the very important subjects that all BTech students should have knowledge of, especially when you are talking about the placement. Placement is the most important thing for any BTech aspirant, especially for computer science engineering students. But there are some important subjects that you should know if you are aiming for placement in any kind of company. So whether it is service based, product based, so there are two of the very important subjects. And the first important subject I would say is a programming subject. Now let me tell you why this programming subject is important. Because any company official, even if the company requires expertise in machine learning, cyber security, along with big data, data science, cloud computing, company officials always hire people who know how to think. So that is very important for every person. Very important programming subjects that you can study. But if I'm talking about programming subject, whether it is C language, C++, Python, or Java for that matter, these all are very important subjects. So one of the, you have a good hold in one of these languages can be a very good thing for all of you for your BTech career, because the second subject is entirely linked with this programming subject. So I'll do one thing. I am posting the links of the books that you can follow for C language, C++, Python and Java in my description box. You can download those PDFs or you can buy those books, because you better study from books rather than some PPT, because these are the subjects that you need to practice with. So if you have good knowledge in C++, and then by default you can code accordingly. So this is first very important subject, is programming subject. You must have good knowledge in this subject. I'm talking about your targeting placements. The second very important subject that you need to study is data structures. Guys, if there is any subject which is very important, it is this subject. Even this subject is more important than this subject also. Even companies, service oriented companies such as Capgemini, Cognizant, they are also hiring the people who know how to think. So data structure is a fundamental of computer science and engineering. I'm pasting the link of a data structure book, which is SHORM series, which I have been I've been following that book for so many years, and again I have never found any alternative apart from that. Data structure is a very important subject, and data structure, with whether you do with C language, whether you do with C++, whether you do with Python, or whether you do it with Java, these are very important languages for implementing data structure. It's up to you. Any of the good hold in these languages, apart from you are implementing that with data structures. So data structures, we all know what are the types of data structures we have. We have two types of data structure, linear and non-linear. So in linear, you say you have arrays, stacks, queues, and in non-linear you have trees and graphs. Guys, let me tell you, very good companies like Amazon, Google, these companies, even Microsoft for that matter, these conduct these companies conduct various coding challenges around hackathons, datathons, based on the problems on these data structures only. So even if I want to implement I want to implement linked list, so I must have a good knowledge, because if I'm implementing them, I need to have good knowledge in these languages, whether it is C language, C++, Python, Java. So if I have to implement linked list, it can be implemented with the help of class or with the help of structure that you can build from C language or C++. So again, I can tell you, these are two very important subjects in BTech degree, whether you are a first year student, second year student, third year student, fourth year student. these are the most important subjects, and don't ignore them. Have good knowledge in them, practice many questions. See, if you have good knowledge in these programming languages, by default you can create an account in HackerRank and practice those kind of questions. But if this knowledge is missing, please kindly grab it, because that is the only subject that will help you in your BTech degree. Thank you very much. If you like this video, kindly share, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.